I want to upload some py files. Let's write ls command and you see all the files that include the files from Python getting started folder plus proc file. This is my main file that's more important than others, and this is the other one, proc file. And let's see the git settings, and let's remove these settings. Git remove rm. You see nothing, and some classic git commands before git push for Heroku. Git init init, git add dot and git commit blah blah blah. I've forgotten to add the parameter letter m for commit. And let's create a Heroku app and and push it. Git push Heroku master. Oops. Master. Yes. We are waiting to upload. It might take a while. To upload. Yes, we received an error. See trace back above for details. Let's see the result of this command. Ops python 2.7 and source the path where I have created. This is it. And pushed again. For Python 3.7 in this time. Let's see the detail of the error. It's about collect static. Collect static. This is the best solution for this error. Click and yes. Clicked and yes. Again push. Again push. We are waiting a while. I think we will not have received an error. Yeah, web is in profile. You know it. You know it. And this is it. It works. The problem has been solved. Yeah, it works and the problem has been solved. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.